Damn. I'm not going back to that store again. He's too fucking nosy. Jeez.
Even Karastan. Plus, get their no surprise guarantee
Solo
and
stocks
promise
are
to beat
San
any written
Francisco.
estimate
Guy
by
is
10%.
so damn nosy. Damn, questioning you.
SDcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you.
Damn.
Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Join Hawataha for actionable advice from the brightest minds in the world on the Young and Profiting Podcast. Author and academic Arthur Brooks on what success isn't.
The husband was confessing to his wife that he might as well be dead. I'm thinking, whoa, what's wrong with this guy? I turn around to get a look, and it turns out to be one of the most famous men in the world. The world tells you that if you are profiting, money, power, pleasure, fame, you're going to be happy, and that's a bogus formula.
The Young and Profiting Podcast, wherever you listen.
Immune to any mutated variant of the virus called liberalism. The Dan Bongino Show.
So, given that I put the show together in the hotel room this morning, Jim, I want this as a memento from me to you. I'm going to sign this over to Jim. Jim.
Oh, come on. Really?
Good fight. You're going to keep, don't throw this out. Fight's a good fight. Your friend, because I mean it, your friend, Dan. Here you go. This is our show. This was our first road show, and we had so much fun. We're at the Patriot Awards. I'm here with Jim. We had so much fun that Teresa's here from Westwood One, and she's sitting with Paula, which is a very dangerous combination, I might add. And they're already planning a road show. So this is great. So I'm going to take some of your calls in a minute, but I never thought in my life about doing a radio road show. But really, it's been such a good kick in the caboose, like to get going. I think we're going to do this. So send me a message on Facebook if you think it's a good idea, and maybe we'll show up in your town. It's been so much fun. Folks, for years you heard me talk about iTarget, and if you have one, I'm going to take you to the next level. If not, this new product is something you need to get. You ever seen competitive shooters practice timing drills on the range? Imagine being able to do that at home anytime you want without spending a dime on ammo. That's what the all-new iTarget Cube does. The iTarget Cube is fully compatible with your existing laser round. You can buy one or upgrade to the 3-pack for a truly unique training experience. Compete with friends, practice clearing drills, or use random mode, test your ability to react, all while the system times every shot you take. Right now, save 10% plus free shipping with the offer code DAN when you go to itargetpro.com. iTarget comes in most calibers from 9mm to 223, so you can train with almost any firearm. It's the easiest and most cost-effective way to train, and it pays for itself in a single day. That's the letter I, itargetpro.com, itargetpro.com, offer code DAN.
Dan Bongino.
Cherokee. Come on.
Hey, Mike, were there any calls I was supposed to take?
Do that.
Line 1. Okay. Line 1, whoever you are. You're welcome to the Dan Bongino Show. What do you got for us?
Hey, Dan, you and Dave Rubin were talking about